Hi, it's Matt from Execify, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to configure tag pairings. Tag pairings allow you to use colors and categories in either Google or Outlook calendars and have it automatically apply tags to events in Execify that you can use to roll up into reports, get analytics, and drive AI actions. On the left sidebar, click on Calendar. And then next to any of the calendars that have been permissioned to you on Execify, you'll see three dots. Click into the three dots and select Edit Tag Pairings. Once you select this, you have the ability to match the colors in Google that are used on your regular Google Calendar or the categories and colors that are used in your Outlook calendar and automatically apply tags that you set up for your organization. Make sure to watch our other video for that, to be applied to Execify events. So let me show you what that means. If we have a category of events, such as travel or something, every time we wanted to make that in our Google Calendar or our Outlook calendar, this yellow color, we could automatically apply a tag to it, such as domestic travel. Once that tag is set up, this is a tag pairing, anything that you do in the calendar that you mark as yellow will automatically get that tag applied to it. So if I come into the calendar, mark an event for Sam Hawkins, give it a international flight, mark it as the banana yellow that Google uses in this case, and save that. What we'll see in going back into the event is that it's automatically been assigned through automatic tags or tag pairings, the domestic travel tag. It's that easy. So if you're already tagging things for executives, for team members in calendars that mark travel, thinking time, team meetings, whatever your categories are, you can automatically give them tags in Execify and roll that up into calendar reports, query it in the AI, and use it for a variety of analytics and other tasks